there is a code of professional practice for social care in Wales. So what does this mean? And more importantly, what does it mean for you and your family? Well, the code is here to ensure you receive the very best social care delivered in the best possible way. Whether the care is at home, a care home, or in the community, social care workers all work to the same values: professional care with pride. Since 2001, there's been an increase of over 130% of people over the age of 90 in Wales. And did you know Wales has the highest and fastest growing demographic of older people in the UK? It is also estimated that around 45,529 people currently suffer from dementia, and this is expected to reach over 55,000 by 2021, with 1 in 4 people in the UK experiencing mental health problems each year. And 15,010 people of all ages are registered with a learning disability. 86% receive support in the community. And finally, there's over 5,000 children who receive care, over 73,000 adults, with 60,000 receiving care in the community. So, you may ask, what is the code? Well, let's see. The code ensures care workers respect your views and put your needs first. It's also important for them to gain your trust and confidence, promoting your well-being and supporting you to stay healthy and well, whilst protecting the rights of the individual and ensuring those around them also remain safe, acting with integrity and maintaining public trust. They will continue to develop new skills and knowledge in order to develop the best care possible. All care workers take personal responsibility for keeping to the code, and those that manage or lead, well, they ensure others follow too. So, put simply, the code is a set of rules that mean social care workers do their jobs to the best of their ability. And for you, it means that you can be sure there is trust and confidence, that care is honest and reliable, and that by listening and respecting individuals' views, beliefs, and culture, well-being is always at the very heart of what social care workers do. It's about being professional and continuing to learn, but most of all, it's about people and relationships. And the code? Well, that's not so secret. For a copy of the code or advice if you feel you're not receiving the right standard of care and support, visit www.ccwales.org.uk/code.